Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Murf AI step by step. So if you want to create realistic AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, presentations, ads, tutorials, or podcasts, yeah, Murf AI makes the whole process really simple. First, open Murf AI in your browser and sign in to your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account to get started. Now click on Create Project and choose a blank project or template. So this is where you'll build your AI voiceover. Next, type or paste your script into the text editor. This is the text Murf AI will convert into speech. If you want, you can also add background music or sound effects directly inside the project. Yeah, this helps make videos feel more professional. Murf AI also lets you sync voiceovers with videos, images, or presentations. This is useful for tutorials and marketing content. After finishing the project, export the voiceover as an MP3 or video file depending on your needs. You can now import the exported audio into editing apps like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or Canva for your final project. And that's basically how to use Murf AI from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to create realistic AI voiceovers much faster and more efficiently.